Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to enable JavaScript on Tor browser on Android. Are you looking for a quick guide how to enable JavaScript on Tor? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, step one, click on the menu button and then select options. As you can see here on the three lines, on the upper right corner, the burger icon, click on it and click on options. Wait till you have connection to the Tor relay. This will happen when you launch the Tor browser. Click the menu button on the Tor browser. So yeah, options. And the step two, click on the privacy and security tab. It's going to be shown like this, right? Step three is choose standard a security level to enable JavaScript, as you can see here on the screen. When the standard security level JavaScript is enabled on all websites, choose the safest security level to disable JavaScript on all websites. So standard if you want JavaScript enabled, safest if you want JavaScript to be disabled. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.